Smash bullshit.
Go.
Bread. Make sandwich. Yeah. Okay, no. Okay, flatten the bread.
You did it wrong. You know that bread, that loaf looked like a baked potato.
Ryan,
What?
I am gonna slap you so freaking hard that you're gonna be slapped in the next spring break.
What? Is their anniversary? Wait, is today the anniversary of Kirby Buckets?
No, Ryan, that's in a few weeks.
That's no, it isn't.
It's in a few days.
It's Monday.
Making some bread. Making
Bread.
some bread.
What are you
Bread.
making? You making flatbread? Or making potato bread? Making potato chips?
And time for the cheese.
Gotta know. There's
Ryan, Ryan.
everyone, here's cheese. Oh.
Wrong slice of cheese.
Nobody wants to butter cheese.
Ryan.
You gotta
We
make
need-
it square.
I know. We need to cut the cheese up. We're gonna put a lot of cheese on there.
Oh, she cut the cheese.
I'm gonna cut you, Ryan. Can't touch this.
Let's watch this. Dude. If you see something something's doing, like eating a rock, then you gotta do it right.
Yeah.
For real. It's like this. Unexpected. Or unexpected. Look at that miniature cheese. It's so adorable. There's a sandwich so far.
No more cheese.
Oh, there's 2 slices of cheese. Alright.
No pan.
I'm gonna do this. Wait. I'm gonna pause it. Okay? Stop. Stop it. Stop, okay? You got, not that much.
Okay, go.
I've been.
Some ham.
That's, that sliced ham at Walmart.
Ryan, I'm gonna kill you. Ham and cheese sandwich. Gonna put the pickles on there too.
Wait, no, Sarah, you should have prepared for it.
Ryan,
Where's that mayo?
there is no mayo. It's gonna be a dry sandwich.
Everyone, this is a dry pickle sandwich with a little bit
The
of
pickle will moisture it, Ryan.
I was about to say that with a little bit of pickle juice. It's some Kool-Aid.
No.
And beer salt.
Lot of
Oh,
ham.
we want more ham. We
Ryan,
need more ham. There we go.
here's some No.
Oh yeah, the pickle. You need to shape it like a pickle. It's gonna be so hard. If you shaped it like a real pickle, that would be hard. Oh no, Sarah, hurry!
One pickle.
You got it's 3 minutes and 13 seconds. You got 49 seconds left.
My sandwich.
Okay, now we're gonna show your face.
No. Now we're gonna color on it.
You want to do a mystery sandwich? You want to do?
Oh my gosh. Wrong way. Don't try that at home.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Brad, we are kids. And we are home. Now here's our sandwich.
Well,
Okay.
can I have one?
No.
I want one.
Okay. Now here comes the fun part. Okay.
Wait, ready? Go. Ready?